Today in front of me, new iPhone SE 2022, and I'll show you how to activate Quick Launch on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and then find here the accessibility section. Now just scroll a little bit down and here you'll see the accessibility shortcut. Click here, and now by just select the one from these shortcuts or just a couple of features here, you can activate the Quick Launch. And now by triple press your the power key button, just the home button, 1 2 3, you can activate from this feature, for example the assistant ball. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.